Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making both devices ready. Install ShareIt and open it on iOS and Android. Next, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so they can discover each other. You do not need cellular data. On iOS, grant local network and photos permissions so ShareIt can create the transfer link and access files. Once done, tap Send on the Android and Receive on iOS. This initiates device discovery and creates the temporary hotspot. The other device joins automatically. Once devices see one another, you must pair them properly. On Android, pick Files and tap Send, which displays a QR code and hotspot name. Meanwhile, on iOS, tap Receive and either scan the QR or join the Android hotspot from Settings if prompted. Make sure you accept any pop-ups asking to join the network. After pairing, select the exact photos, videos, or documents you want to move on the sender and confirm. Transfers begin as a fast direct Wi-Fi link, so watch progress bars until each file completes. To finish, watch until the progress shows 100% and tap Done. Don't close ShareIt or switch apps during finalization because incomplete writes can corrupt files. Once transfers complete, verify files in the Photos or Files app on iOS and organize as needed. If a file failed, resend only those items or use ShareIt's retry option. If nothing connects, make sure airplane mode is off. Then toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth or restart both apps. That quick reset resolves most discovery issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.